This is Brownsville, right on the edge of East New York, a part of Brooklyn that's been quietly changing block by block. And right here on Mother Gaston Boulevard is a 4-family home with a lot to offer. From up here, you can see how connected this stretch really is. The new Lotz Avenue station is just moments away, putting the L train within easy reach. Just down the block, the Brownsville Recreation Center is currently partially open, with indoor pools, athletic fields, and a playground, a real gathering place for the community. Around it, the everyday rhythm of the neighborhood, shopping, dining, people moving through their day. Whether you're coming home to it every night or counting on it to bring people in, this is a neighborhood on the move. At street level, it's a well-kept building on a quiet block, solid construction, a clean front, and a setup that's built to last. It's a 22 by 80 building on a 25 by 100 lot, giving it real size and presence for a 4-family. Come on in. This is 909 Mother Gaston Boulevard, a 4-family home, 4 units, 1 solid Brooklyn building, each with its own character. Whether you're looking to invest or live in one and rent the rest, there's a lot to like here. Come on and let me show you around. Step inside and the common areas are simple, clean, and easy to maintain. The hallway leads you back to each first floor unit, and the stairs carry you up to the second floor, where natural light pours in from a beautiful skylight above. It's a small detail, but it changes the whole feel of the stairwell. Whether you're managing this building yourself or living in it day to day, the shared spaces stay out of your way. No extra upkeep, no wasted square footage. Down in the basement, you'll find a full finished space with high ceilings, room for storage, a recreation area, room for a home gym, whatever you need it to be. There's even a door leading straight out to the backyard, along with a dedicated workshop and a boiler room, both nicely finished. This is a bonus square footage that a lot of 4 families in this area and this price range simply don't have. And right here is one of the best parts of owning this building. Every single unit has its own gas and electric meter. 4 separate meters for 4 separate units. On top of that, there's 1 more meter dedicated just for the common areas and the basement. That means each tenant covers their own utilities from day one, and your management stays simple. No shared bills to sort out, no guessing who used what. That's a detail that saves you real time, real money down the road. Out back, there's a concrete space perfect for barbecuing, plus a shed for extra storage. At the front of the building on the first floor is the first unit, the only 1 bedroom in the building. It's a large unit with windows throughout. As you enter the foyer, the bathroom is right there. Turn right and you're in a large front-facing living room. Turn left and you'll find a large eating kitchen which leads to the bedroom. Bright, well laid out, and easy to lease. You'll notice some boxes around. The tenant is in the middle of packing up, but you can still get a good feel for the space. The other first floor apartment is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, located toward the back of the building. As you walk toward the unit, the basement door is on your left. Open the door and there's a foyer that leads to the bathroom, which has its own window. Far left is the eating kitchen, also with a window, and plenty of space for a family dinner. The living room sits in its own separate space with its own window, and the 2 large bedrooms face the living room. Every room has a window, making this apartment bright and airy. Head upstairs and you see the skylight that brings natural light into the building. Unit 3, located facing the back of the building on the second floor, is identical to the one on the first floor. This 2-bedroom, 1 bath is immaculate. Same exact layout, same solid bones, same comfortable footprint. just one flight up. Take a look. Unit 4 is the front-facing 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Same setup as the other 2 bedrooms, same square footage, except the kitchen is toward the left and the large living room and bedroom face the front of the building. Still the same size, a window in every room, plus plenty of closet space throughout. The major systems here have already been taken care of. The boiler was replaced in 2018. The water heater is about 3 years old and the roof is roughly 10 years young. This isn't a building where you're stepping in and immediately wondering what's going to fail next year. The big ticket items are already done, which means your first year of home ownership can be about collecting rent, not chasing repairs. A building like this doesn't come along every day. 4 units, 1 address, and real opportunity to own a piece of Brooklyn. Maybe you live in one and let the building work for you. Maybe it's your first step into owning property here. However you picture it, it starts with a conversation, and if you're thinking about selling a home like this, that's exactly what I do, and I'll be glad to help you through it. I'm Claudia Louis. Call or text me at 347-612-2964 or visit claudialouis.com. Let's talk about what's possible for you.